Is that really the best you could do, Knights?
Come on, Riella. I did skid it to a halt.
Yes, but it wasn't as great. Are you losing your touch, Knights?
No. It's just you were kind of slowing me up.
How would I be doing that?
What's that over there?
Wait a sec. Is that what I pretty much think it is?
Yeah, I think it is. I think it's some kind of package. It's addressed to... Yella?
I'm not doing that! I am not doing that!
But this is flat. There's no way it's a plush.
Even still, Knights. You know how I feel about these, right?
How's it that every time we do this, you always seem to be in a bad mood?
Trust me, Knights, I have bad experiences with packages.
But you seem to have a good laugh afterwards, right?
That's aside the point. Anyways, do get somebody else to do it.
Alright.
Now, if you excuse me, I have somewhere else to be. My apologies, viewers.
Well, if he's not going to do it, then I can pretty much find somebody else. Question is, where are they? Best hope to find out. Alright everyone, I'm back. And I brought someone special. Our special guest here. Come on out, fella!
Did you seriously had to, like, kidnap me or something?
No, more like lending a hand.
Seriously, people, I was in the middle of trying to settle things with my movie making and such, and ideals, and then suddenly I get hijacked by this purple guy.
I'm not sure if that's a reference or something. But yeah, I kind of need your little help in this.
Alright.
Then you could go back to doing whatever. Just simply asking.
Jeez, you could have just asked from the start. Okay. Is that a package?
And I need your help with this.
Oh. No biggie. This'll take a little bit. You may want to stand back. Alright.
Whoa!
This is a lot more tougher. It's open.
I hope this... Hey, you actually got it to open, I guess.
Huh. Can't believe it was a little more durable than I thought.
I'm glad you didn't blast it, otherwise we would have had charted stuff.
That's fine. At least it turned out for the better. We done here? I really should get back. Plus, I gotta meet up with Max.
Oh, sure. Thanks for helping out, Goji, and good luck with your project and such.
Thanks. Laters.
And there's your cameo there.
Hey! I'm the one who's supposed to break fourth walls!
It's still camera, you know, Yosta.
Still!
Okay, now let's see what's in here. Huh? Is this what I think it is? No way. Oh my goodness! We got another Sega game here, people. Which means... Oh my gosh! I gotta get Riella! Oh, Riella!
What is it?
You gotta come over here! You're not gonna believe what we got!
Fine.
Come on, come on, come on!
Alright, I'm here. Knights? Is that All-Star Racing transformed?
Yes! You know what this means, right?
That means Ashley will have more to her collection.
Well, yes, but that means there's more opportunities for us to have game appearances! I'm just so excited about this!
Well then. I don't know about you, but I'm actually glad about this one.
And here I thought that you were not too fans of this, too fondly of this.
Don't push it, Knights. But anyways, I actually look forward to these 2 games I actually now got.
Well, you do pretty much have a special bond with her.
Knights, keep in mind that's private between us. Anywho, allow me to take over for a bit.
Hey, I'm the one who did.
You did absolutely enough, Knights.
Fine.
You can stand by, alright?
Okay.
Alright, everyone. What you just witnessed was an unboxing of, well, All-Star Racing Transformed. And, well, we want to know exactly how you feel about this. Honestly, I think this is going to be thrilling. Though we will continue the Let's Play that Ashley is doing currently, but when she does get around to it, she may do gameplays of these 2 games. Though, that all depends on the comments below. But, furthermore, I'm actually looking forward to these. And, well, what I can say is that Hedgehog may have that type of popularity and such, but at least with our fans, we have a better reputation.
That's true. Please support us, everybody. The Knights fandom will still continue onward.
And we appreciate you all for pretty much caring for us and appreciating us throughout these years. And hopefully you continue to do so. Anyways, this is Riella the Nightmaren.
And Knights.
We'll see you all later. That was a good take.
Yeah, that was. Come on, let's go. I bet Ashley's expecting to see you soon.
Knights! Why do I even bother? Well, I better pretty much take this. Oh, don't want to leave it behind. Make sure to comment, subscribe, and we'll leave the links in the description on the DeviantArt, so you can check out her DeviantArt if you like. Anyways, farewell everyone.